I'm Jessie. I work in the film industry as a generator operator. I just heard about the Dolphin through a friend of mine who didn't know much about it and referred me here. I have pain in my shoulder right now that's been acting up. I have had this pain pretty much my whole life since I was a child. I've wondered if it was an injury from birth even, or maybe I think there's a pretty common injury where your parent yanks your shoulder and pulls it out. But it's never really hurt to this extent before. I have various other injuries. We talked about coccyx being broken from childbirth. Yeah, it kind of goes up and down. That's the most extreme. But I prefer that to what it was doing last night, where it was cycling. Like last night, there was like a shooting pain, no matter what position I went into, and it would cycle. So it'd be like over like a minute or so, it would go up and then down, and it would be like quite, and a lot of spasming. I've had a lot of problems with spasming. I did injure my lower back at work a couple of times, and I've done a lot of exercises to strengthen and heal that, which for all I know is making other things worse. But that was a spasming problem.
There we go, reset number 2. See? Number 3.
I feel a little bit dizzy.
That's okay.
Yeah.
How's your range of your neck?
Improved.
How's the pain in the back?
It's down. It's way down. I don't have the pinching.
Right.
The
grabbing.
Yeah, like the sudden sharp pain.
Right.
It's not there.
It'll take a day or so just for this to settle down.
Yeah.
You know that, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Just float, because that'll feel looser.
Oh yeah, I feel some interesting stuff in the tendons inside. I got to check the range of movement here.
Of course.
There's a new weird kind of tenderness right down in the lower. I'm kind of overwhelmed. I'm really eager to find out what's going to change in the next day or so. There's a lot of new sensations, and sensations that were there aren't there now. Feels like more range of motion. When I move, I'm not getting that shot of like nerve pain all down my arm. That's gone. The actual muscles just feel tender, like they do often after, like I've had a lot of muscle spasms. After the spasm is done, it's still quite tender for some time. And it has that feeling to it, that tenderness. Yeah.